Good day, everyone. My name is Michael Chago, so I will be the one to continue the reporting of Miss Aima Tereta. There are some example of global governance in action. First, the Philippines. The Philippines work with the United Nations and its agency to address global issues like peace, security, and development. It contributes voluntarily to maintain impartiality and to advocate for its interests while helping promote the common goods of all nations. So, ang Pilipinas na nakipag-contribute sa UN para makatabang sa tibuok kalibutan o para maprotektahan o makatabang sila sa mga issue sa mga member ni aning United Nation. The second is the Europe or the European Union. The European Union or the EU, where the 27 states, is an example of regional cooperation that enhances political and economic unity. It addresses shared challenges, promotes stability, and serves as a model for other regions like Africa to develop their own governance system. So the Europe or the European Union is a group of many countries that have joined together. They work as a one unit to solve shared problems and create stability and wealth for their region. And also the European Union acts as a model on how nations can collaborate effectively to tackle common issues. The third is Africa. Africa faces many shared issues and is using regional cooperation inspired model like the EU or the European Union to collectively respond. African nations are forming organizations to tackle this problem together, aiming for regional stability, development, and prosperity. So Africa has many problems like poverty, sickness, and lack of clean water or good roads. So African countries are starting work together, like how the European Union does. They create group and plans to solve this problem as a team and make life better for everyone. Relevance of the United Nations aim globalization. First, promoting global peace and security. One of the most fundamental functions of the United Nations is maintaining international peace and security. Aim globalization with its complex web of international relationship and increased potential for conflict. The UN is a primary mechanism for conflict prevention and resolution. So, United Nations promoting global peace and security para ma-maintain ang international peace, especially in a globalized world where conflicts are more likely due to interconnected relationship, and also helping resolve conflict through diplomacy and multilateral action. Second is addressing global crisis. Globalization has both with it new challenges including pandemic, climate change, and displacement of population. The United Nations is a crucial platform for coordinating international responses to this crisis. So the United Nations coordinate international response by mobilizing resources, sharing information, and supporting affected area, making global cooperation and more effective and timely. And also by working together under the United Nations guidance, nation can respond more effectively to crises that threaten global health, safety, and well-being. Third is advancing sustainable development. The UN or the United Nations engagement in global governance extend to sustainable development. The Sustainable Development Goals, a set of 17 interconnected goals, represent a global effort to improve living conditions while protecting the environment. So, advancing sustainable development, this goal encourage all the countries to reduce poverty para maprotektahan ang environment and to improve health and education and to ensure a better quality of life of everyone.